welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you've ever popped in, my name is Melissa. I make a ton of beauty related content, so unboxing videos, makeup videos, hauls, things like that. I also have a 20-month-old son. You might be able to hear him squawking right outside of my bedroom door. So I make a lot of mommy related videos, baby related videos, things like that. So if that sounds like your jam, then I hope you stick around and subscribe. But today we are talking about Ipsy. So Ipsy is a subscription service. I am an Ipsy ambassador, so they send me their Glam Bag and their Glam Bag Plus every single month so I can unbox it for you guys and share with you some of the products that you might get in your Ipsy Glam Bag subscription service. The theme this month is flower power, and the packaging, the bags, you guys, they're so pretty. It's like this pink floral design. We're just gonna hop in and get started with the original Glam Bag. This is $12 a month and you get 5 deluxe size beauty products in it. The bag itself is like this nice faux leather, like the texture of it is really nice. Okay, so first thing I see in here is some foil packets. I have to be honest, I don't love foil packets. I feel like I never use them. I don't know. I end up like having the best intentions and then I never actually end up using them. Oh, these are treatment pads though. Okay, so there's 2 of them. They are, so it is a foil, but I can see why they put it in the foil. So these are the Instant Facial Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. Polishes and exfoliates for smoother, brighter looking skin. These sound a lot like the First Aid Beauty exfoliating pads, so I think I'll probably like them, but I don't love the smell of Tula products. Next thing in here is by the brand Olaplex. I have been loving Olaplex products for my hair recently, although the one thing I don't have is the number 3, and that's what this is of, so that's kind of cool. This is like a pre-washing treatment for your hair. So you like wet your hair, put it in, and then rinse it out and wash your hair. Like, it's just kind of an interesting concept. This is a great way for me to like test that out. A lot of people rave about this, so I'm happy to try that out. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand The Beauty Corp, and it's called Stuck On You Eye Primer. This seems like a really decent size, like almost full size. I think this probably is full size. I'm not too sure. Glass packaging, which is nice, so it doesn't like dry out on you. I honestly cannot say I've ever had an eye primer in a pot before. I don't think. I mean, other than like MAC paint pot, you know, but this is like just a different concept for me. So yeah, I mean, it looks a lot like a painterly type thing that you would use. It has a color to it, which can be good as long as it's close to your skin tone. This one looks like it is. I don't know that I've ever tried anything from the Beauty Corp before. Okay, next thing in here is from Item Beauty. They have included a lot of Item Beauty products in the past couple of months' bags, so I'm not surprised to see this brand at all. This is the Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil in the color Come Through. I do really like lip oils a lot actually, so I think I'll really like this. It's cute little packaging though. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Just a teeny little doe foot. It smells like peaches. It smells like peach rings, you guys, like those gummies. Have you guys ever had those before? Smells exactly like peach rings. Slightly on the sticky side. It definitely feels like more of a gloss, less of an oil in my opinion. Okay, last thing in the original Glam Bag is by the brand Kinship. This is the Self Reflect, what is this? Oh, SPF 32, Zinc Oxide SPF. I'm really into SPFs right now. This is the time of the year for SPFs. Make sure you're protecting your skin no matter what brand you use, protect your skin. So I'm really excited to try a different brand. This is probably enough for like one use maybe on your face. Definitely no more than just your face. Oh, there's a tint to it. It's like slightly pink. Smells like sunscreen. Okay, moving on to the Glam Bag Plus. This is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products in it. Now this one you can actually go onto the Ipsy website and select some of the products that you want in your box. It's not a complete surprise like the original Glam Bag, or you can make it a complete surprise and then it's like a present, like Christmas every single month. So it just depends on what your preference is. I have a huge product in this bag, you guys. It looks like a huge palette. I don't recognize the brand right off the bat. Glam Palette designed by Isabel Bedoya. Illuminati, is that the brand? I can't say I've ever had anything by this brand before. It's nicely packaged so you know that it's like very sanitary and very clean, which is always nice. All right, what do you think it's gonna look like? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, interesting, very colorful. So we have some like pastel neons at the top, which is quite different from anything I would ever wear, but that's a good thing. That's the great thing about these subscription services, and it kind of like it gives you an opportunity to try stuff that you might not have tried before. So there's some pressed glitters. We got my comfort zone right here with these warm neutrals, nice and soft. This is the color Trust right here. Let's do Azul. That one's like a shimmer. Trust was a matte. Let's do a glitter. Let's do Izzy. Oh, that definitely feels like a glitter. Very textured. Nice swatches though. Okay, next thing in here I'm really excited about. I just got a little peek of it. It's by Oprah. It is their blush in the color Rose, I think. I have never tried, other than the Samantha March line, I have never tried an Oprah blush before. So I'm pretty excited. I may have had some here and there in like palettes, but never a standalone blush. So I'm pretty excited about it. Oh, perfect color. That is right up my alley. That is definitely a blush that I would have seen on the shelf at the store and been like, yep, I'm gonna buy that. Oh, love it. I'm so excited. Beautiful color, very pigmented. I'm so excited for this. Okay, next thing in here is by One Size Beauty. Okay, this is a new brand to Ipsy, I'm pretty sure. And this is the Point Made 24-Hour Gel Pencil Eyeliner. Oh good, okay. I have this in the color Busty Brown. It's the brown one. I actually really like it a lot. So this is the black one. I'm happy to get, there's a brown and a black. Those are the only two colors. And now I have the black one, which is really exciting. These eyeliners work really well. They're very pigmented, at least the brown one is the one I can speak to. Very pigmented. They go on very smoothly. They apply to your waterline really, really nicely. And then you have like a minute or so where you can smudge them with a smudge brush, which is what I like to do. And then after that, they set and they don't smudge all day long. They're really, really, really good eyeliners. So yeah, nice and like jet black. I'm really excited that this is included in Ipsy. This is really good. Okay, I have two more products in here. So the first one is by Dr. Brandt. It is their Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I love face masks. I've never tried this one before, I don't think. Clears out your pores, which is always really nice. I don't have oily skin. I have probably more dry skin if I had to pick one or the other. But this might be good to use like once every other week or so to just like clear out my pores. Okay, last thing in here is by Haas Laboratories. My sister has been trying to get me to try, that sounds weird, trying to get me to try Haas Laboratories for like since it started, and I haven't. So here you go, sis. I'm gonna try it out. Finally, it's Lady Gaga's makeup brand, by the way, if you're unfamiliar. This is by, I think this is new to Ipsy too. They're getting some new brands, which is really exciting. So this is the Glam Attack All Over Metallic Cream in the color Gunmetal. All Over Metallic Cream. So is that a highlighter? No, it's black. So I don't think that would be a highlighter. It has to be an eyeshadow. I mean, I guess you could use it as a highlighter, but it is definitely gunmetal gray. It is very nice, very smooth. I don't wear colors like this on my eyes very often at all, but maybe I will go out of my comfort zone and like try it out, put it on my eyes. A little bit goes a long way. I can smudge this out quite a bit. All right, guys, well, that is what was in my May Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I hope that you enjoyed watching me unbox these. If you're interested in subscribing, I will link the Ipsy website down below for you so you can check it out, see if it's something you'd be into. But other than that, I will talk to you next time. Bye.